With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is you have to match the following. So you have column 1 and then you have column 2. So what do we have from here? You have to match them, right? Now in the column 1 we have hybridization and in column 2 we have the complexes. Okay. Now if we talk about the first complex that we have here, which is CONH3 6 plus 3. Now cobalt in plus 3 oxidation state forms you can say it forms a low spin complex with ammonia, right? Or you can say that ammonia acts as a strong field ligand when we have cobalt plus 3. Now cobalt plus 3 means what is the outer electronic configuration? Cobalt is D7, 3D7, 4S2. And when 3 electrons are removed, this becomes 3D6. Okay. So as it has 6 electrons in the d orbital and ammonia acts as a strong field ligand here, which means that all these 6 electrons are going to be paired, right? So if this is the 3d orbital, this is the 4s orbital, and this is the 4p orbital, and as 6 ligands are attached to it, it is going to show T2sp3 hybridization. Right? It is going to form an inner orbital complex. 6 pair of ligands are going to combine here, and the hybridization that it will show is D2sp3. Right? So from here, one thing is clear that your first is going to match with D. Okay. Now, if we talk about the second complex is NiCO4. Now, there's a very simple trick for the compounds, or you can say for the complexes having 4 ligands, right? It's very, very simple. And that is, whenever there's a strong field ligand attached, to the central atom in a complex where 4 ligands are present, then it forms a dsp2 hybridization and square planar complex. And whenever there's a weak field ligand, it leads to the formation of sp3 hybridization and tetrahedral complex. But NiCO4 is an exception, right? Now, CO, carbonyl, is a very strong ligand, right? It is a strong field ligand. But with nickel, it forms a complex where it shows the hybridization of sp3 and geometry of tetrahedral, right? So this is one of the exceptions here. Otherwise, the trick that I told before is applicable. Okay, so this forms a tetrahedral complex, therefore shows a hybridization of sp3. So therefore, second matches with A. Talking about the third one, again, this is a 4 ligand complex, right? Now here, in this case, PTNH3Cl2 has a structure something like this. Okay, PTNH3Cl2 forms a square planar complex here, right? It forms a square planar complex. Here, platinum is in the +2 oxidation state. So, whenever a square planar complex is formed, the hybridization is dsp2. And whenever a tetrahedral complex is formed, the hybridization is sp3. This is the major thing that you should know. So, therefore, it says that third now is going to match with B. Okay. And if we talk about COF6 3-, now fluorine is a very weak field ligand, right? It is a weak field ligand. So therefore, whenever we have a weak field ligand, an outer orbital complex is formed. And whenever an outer orbital complex is formed in the cases of octahedral complexes, the hybridization is sp3d2. Outer orbital complex means the outer D is involved in hybridization. Okay, therefore, C matches with, or you can say 4 matches with C. Okay, so if we talk about the correct match, we can write it something like this: A, B, C, and D. A matches with second, B matches with third, C matches with 4, and D matches with 1. So this is the correct match and the correct answer for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.